have entered the prep zone. Tonight, volleyball at the Jungle. It's the North Shore Lady Panthers taking on the Covington Lady Lions in a district matchup. Covington lost their first match in the district. North Shore has won their first match in the district. They're ranked 9th and 10th in the state. Big matchup early in the district in the prep zone. Pre-game with Coach Davis. Coach, you won on Tuesday, first district matchup. You got Covington here. This seems like there's a whole pack of people that can win. What do you need to do to get a victory tonight?
We just need to stay consistent and be aggressive and just play consistent ball. That's the key. First touch is very important. The pass, the defense, we have to get that first pass to the target.
Obviously, you're going to want to try to keep the ball away from Zenise Parker, huh?
Oh, wait, who? No. Z is a very nice player for Covington. We're going to try to do our best to keep the ball away from her and do our best on defense to control her hits, because she hits the ball with a lot of velocity.
Both teams are ranked, which is kind of showing the power. Talk about the power in this district.
All the schools in this district, they are very consistent, very close to one another, and you have to show up to play. You can't overlook anybody. Mandeville was very on early on Tuesday night, and I expect Covington to come in here to be very aggressive and take it to us. So we have to match their intensity. If we don't, it's going to be a tough night for us.
Pre-game with Coach Adams. Coach, you opened your district on Tuesday with a loss to Fontainebleau. You got North Shore tonight. This is a big game early in the district.
We've had two big games early in our district. I think our district is just going to be a big fight, and whoever comes out on top is going to be lucky to come out on top, because the parity in the district is so good. And you're right, this is a big time match tonight. 9 and 10 playing each other, 9 and 10 ranked in the state playing each other, and we need to come out with our A game tonight. They need to come out with their A game, and whoever has their A game is going to be the top player tonight.
What are some specific things that you think your team needs to do tonight to secure a victory?
I think we have to control tempo, and we have to get the ball, passing the ball and controlling tempo, and taking them out of their offense, basically. We take them out of system. If we take them out of system, we're in good shape.
Holly Stewart will serve it up for the Lady Lions, jump serve style. This is going to be a battle. Nice diving save by Stewart. Ooh, big hit from North Shore. 1-0 the lead. Haley Kirkpatrick will serve it up. Jump style also. Zenise Parker on that hit goes out. Point to North Shore. Heard Coach Davis talk about Zenise. She's one heck of a player. Kirkpatrick on the serve. Quick set. Keep it in alive. Look for a lot of rallies. Both teams well coached. Took a little bit off of that one, but kept it alive. Diving save by Stewart. Wow, nice dig by Smith. That one, however, is not coming back. 3-0 lead for North Shore. Haley Kirkpatrick on the serve, sophomore. 4-0. Kirkpatrick to serve. Stewart, Smith, and Callahan in the back line for the Lady Lions. That one is in. That one died off. And Holly Stewart said, that's on me. I should have picked up that one was going to die like that. Beautiful serve for the ace for Kirkpatrick. 5-0, the North Shore lead, game one. Best 3 out of 5, big district battle. Kirkpatrick from the back line. Stewart can't control. That's some power from Haley Kirkpatrick. As they go through the district, it seems that Covington is drawing the two of the top teams, Fontainebleau on Tuesday and North Shore. Kirkpatrick into the net. 1 point for Covington, and they'll get the serve. Cassie Siraj to serve. On the flip side of that, North Shore, big hit from Caitlin Dillon gets them to serve back and a point. On the flip side is that the leading Fontainebleau Bulldogs and this North Shore team do not play until the last little communication breakdown there by the Lady Lions. They do not play until the last game of the first round. This is the second game of the first round. So Covington definitely having the tougher of the schedule early, and North Shore late. Parker, wow, good dig by DeShera. Another good dig. Casey Brandt put that one away. 9-1. I know the score is 9-1, it seems like, but there's good volleyball going on here early, both teams. Obviously more for North Shore, but it's not like one and done for sure. DeShera to serve. Jessica with her team up 10-1. Parker. DeShera, good dig. Parker block goes out of bounds. Point to Covington. Hallie Stewart will serve it up. Callahan, that one's out. Right now, North Shore running on all cylinders here in game one. Sabrina Buell, the libero, serving. Parker, wow, Kirkpatrick, great dig. Brandt's hit is saved. Parker took a little something off of that. Nice block by her. That one into the net. Just get it over. And that one just doesn't go over. Davis tried to guide that one over to no avail. 11-3 North Shore. 8-point lead, Zanice Parker. (12-3). Back line now is Parker, Stewart, and Stewart for North Shore. Kirkpatrick and Davis on the front line for North Shore, along with Kognovich. Just keep it alive sometimes. Good block. Stewart, nice save right there. LaRocca attempts to block. Had one earlier in the point as the point was being played out. Unable to do it right there. 13-3, 10-point lead. Casey Brandt on the serve. Quick set. And that one's put away real quick by Claire Davis. North Shore really asserting themselves early in game one. That serve is out. Megan Kalungas is in and Brandt is out. Giselle Callahan to serve. Kirkpatrick, that one was in. Kognovich on the serve. Good attempt there, but a nice kill out of Siraj. 15-4. Covington needs a few more like that. Caroline Smith will serve. Kirkpatrick blocked. They can't save that. Good job up front by LaRocca and Hamilton. And Smith will serve again. 15-6. They trail. That point to North Shore. Make it 16-6 now. Claire Davis to serve. One of two seniors on Coach Davis's squad. Dillon's hit. The other senior, Dillon, Caitlin Dillon, hit that one, hit off the tape on the net and fell in. When it's going right, it's going right. North Shore keeps it alive. Siraj. Good save, Kognovich. Parker. Still alive. Wow. Great play, Kirkpatrick. But LaRocca said enough of that. She put the kibosh on that one. (17-7) the score. 10-point lead. And Holly Stewart will serve. That one's out. That's a couple of service errors in this game for Covington already. If you're behind, you cannot afford to do that. You got to put the ball in play. You lose a point and you give them the serve. So Kirkpatrick will serve it up. Nice dig, Smith. Parker, just keep it alive. That one's long. 19-7. Covington unable to find any kind of rhythm here early in game one. Parker, Kirkpatrick. Brandt just keeps it alive. Stewart, Smith tried to get it over. Still alive. Nice rally right here, both teams. Davis blocked. Hamilton and Parker up front with the block. 19-8, the lead. Served by Siraj. From the back line, big hit by Claire Davis. 20-8. DeShera checks back in, and Jessica will serve. Parker, that one out. DeShera gets a second service. Brandt into the net. 21-9, North Shore up. Lady Panthers and Lady Lions battling it out here in the jungle. Hallie Stewart serving. Parker blocked. That one went out though. Hallie will serve again. That one's long. Another service error by the Lady Lions. Coach Adams, keep it in play, keep it in play. Stewart, and Montgomery on the back line. That hit is long. By Buell. Parker serve into the net. (23-11) the lead now for North Shore. Game one, Casey Brandt to serve. 24-10. Another one catching the tape and dropping in. When it's going right, it seems to always go right. Game point for game one at 24-11. Make it 24-12. Giselle Callahan will serve. Brandt is out and Megan Kalungas is in. Service by Giselle Callahan. A little dink. Nice diving save by, and that one didn't go up. Saved by Callahan, but that'll still end game one at 25-12. North Shore takes game one here in this district matchup of Covington at North Shore. Game two underway. Haley Kirkpatrick to serve. Stewart. Siraj with the setup, a little dink that time. Just keep it alive. Big hit, that one's in. That's the Zenise Parker we know right there. 1-0 lead for Covington. Siraj. That one's out. 2-0. Caitlin Dillon a little long on that hit for the Lady Panthers. Siraj, Cassie Siraj serving. Brandt. Nice attempt by Stewart. Hamilton got a little bit of a block, but Stewart couldn't dig it out. 2-1, Covington. DeShera, Jessica DeShera to serve. Dillon decided to go with the left hand, and I think misjudged that one just a tad. (3-1) Covington. Hallie Stewart serving. That one's out. 4-1. Covington's come out here. Seems to have kind of found a little something here in game 2. North Shore not in that same rhythm. Although that's not good. 4-2. Service error. North Shore hasn't really gotten in that same groove they were. Sabrina Buell will serve it up. That same groove they were in game 1 yet. Parker. Some good play here. Parker again. Block by Davis. From the back line, Kirkpatrick. In the net. Casey Brandt in the net. 5-2 lead, Covington. Zenise Parker to serve. Callahan keeps it alive. Kirkpatrick up front for Brandt. Blocked by LaRocca. Dink. Callahan's got that set for LaRocca. It's blocked, still alive. Again. Kirkpatrick sold it all out right there, unable to dig that one out. 6-2, Covington. Early lead in game 2. 25-12, North Shore in game 1, the winner. Point. 6-3 now. North Shore trails. Casey Brandt to serve. Callahan. Keep it alive. Caroline Smith. Kirkpatrick. Callahan with a big hit. Giselle Callahan, 7-3, Covington. And Callahan has rotated back, and she will serve. Siraj, LaRocca, and Smith in the front line for North Shore now. Callahan with the serve. Kirkpatrick, nice dig. Hallie Stewart. A carry. Point, 8-3 lead. Giselle Callahan serving. That one's out. 8-4. So the service error boogaboos continue to mount for Covington, the Lady Lions. Kognovich on the serve. Siraj. Catherine Kognovich, a sophomore outside hitter for Coach Davis. And miscommunication there. 8-6. And Kognovich will serve it up again. Parker from the back line. Nice dig by Buell. Kirkpatrick. Stewart sells out. Unable to get that one. We have a timeout as North Shore has climbed back within 1 point. They trail 8-7 in game 2 after winning game 1, 25-12. Kognovich will serve it up. Siraj, nice hit. Cassie Siraj pushes them ahead by 2, 9-7. Caroline Smith to serve. That's a carry. 9-8. Caroline Smith is the last of 5 sisters to play volleyball at Covington, and they've been 2 years apart. So there's been a lot of Smiths around for a long time, and they've all been good. Nice block by LaRocca. Kirkpatrick. Good dig, Parker. Siraj nails it. Cassie Siraj in a little bit of a groove there. Holly Stewart to serve it up. Big hit from Claire Davis. Holly tried to, but couldn't quite get the dig there. Haley Kirkpatrick to serve it up. It's a pretty powerful serve, I would say. And that's a pretty powerful kill coming from Zenise Parker. 11-9 the lead. 2-point lead for the Lady Lions. Cassie Siraj. Quick set. Good save if it goes over. Smith, Stewart, and then Smith get it over. Brandt. That one. Siraj couldn't control. Point to North Shore. They trail by 1, 11-10. Jessica DeShara to serve it up. Parker took a little bit off of that one, and good timing. 12-10. Covington, game 2. Hallie Stewart serving. Kirkpatrick, DeShara, and the finish by Dillon. Dig, set, kill right there for you. Sabrina Buell will serve. Parker just keeping in play right there. Long on that hit by Brandt. If you're watching at home, look for number 2. She rotates up into the middle, right where she's standing right there. If she's in the back or wherever she's going to come to that spot because she is the setter. Jessica DeShara. It's either her or Claire Davis going to be setting them up. There she is, setting it back set. That one in the net. 4 hits. (13-12). North Shore trails. Casey Brandt serving. Hallie Stewart cannot control it. We're tied. Our first tie in game 2. Brandt into the net. And Covington back out ahead. Callahan to serve. That one's in. 15-13. Callahan again, back line, some confusion. 16-13. Giselle, 2 aces, went out on a third attempt. 16-14, and another unforced service error. Kognovich on the serve. Davis put the kibosh on that one. Gets her team within 1 here in game 2. That one's in. Nice play by Siraj. Got it down the line. 17-15. Early in this game, Covington went out 8-4. 4-point lead. North Shore's battled back. That one's out. And it's been a 1 or 2 point game ever since. It was tied at 13. 1 down is Covington at this point. Service by Claire Davis. LaRocca. Wow. Nice save right there by Megan Kalungas. That one's out. North Shore able to save that one, only to a point, and that point went to the Lady Lions. Holly Stewart. Parker. The last one off the block. 3-point lead now for the Lady Lions at 19-16. Timeout, Coach Davis. Late in game 2, North Shore trails 19-16. Coming out of the timeout, Holly Stewart will serve. Caitlin Dillon finishes that one off. 19-17, North Shore trails. Buell checks out. And Haley Kirkpatrick will serve. Her team down by 2 now, late in game 2. Smith and then Stewart take a shot at it. Nice serve from Haley Kirkpatrick. That is definitely a weapon if you can have something with a little spin and some speed on it. Makes it tough on the defense. But when you knock it in the net, it doesn't become a weapon. Cassie Siraj to serve, her team up by 2 late in game 2, 20-18. Brandt finishes that one up. 20-19. North Shore within 1. They've been within 1 or tied, but never ahead in this game. Jessica DeShara to serve. Parker, set, and Parker's got to just keep it in play. Quick set, a little dink that time by Dillon. We're tied. Sometimes it is, we got a timeout, Covington, as this one's tied late at 20. DeShera to serve coming out of the timeout. All these points right here and right now are big. First lead of this game by North Shore at 21-20. DeShera to serve again. Parker took a little something off of that one. Kirkpatrick didn't get up in time. We're tied, 21-21. Third tie of this game. Hallie Stewart to serve. Buell. Parker, Kirkpatrick there, set, double hit called on DeShera. 1 point lead. Hallie Stewart to serve. Buell, DeShera, and that one's out off the block. Point to North Shore, tied at 22. Tied at 20, tied at 21, now tied at 22. We're closing in. This game goes to 25, but you must be ahead by 2 to win it. Buell on the serve. Back set, Parker. Just keep it alive at this point. Brandt gets her team ahead at 23, 22. Sabrina Buell to serve. Stewart. Smith sets up Parker. This one's got to go over. Parker took a little something off of that. Last couple from Parker have been like that. Tied it up. 23. Why not, huh? Tied at 20, 21, 22, and 23. Zenise Parker to serve. Brandt into the net. 24-23, game point now. Coach Davis takes timeout. Team down by 1 late. 1 point away from the game is Covington at this point, and a chance to tie it up at 1 apiece. Game point now for the Lady Lions, a chance to even up the games at 1 apiece with best 3 out of 5. Zenise Parker to serve. Davis ties it up. Why not? 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, they've been tied up. Brandt, winner has to win, has to be ahead by 2. Brandt on the serve. Back set, Parker, keep it alive. Set cross court, big hit from Kirkpatrick, puts her team ahead. 25-24, and now it's game point for North Shore. Never ahead can actually win the game here if they get this point. Brandt, Stewart, Smith, and Parker. Buell, that's a big block out of Madison LaRocca. And why not? We're tied at 25. Each team now has had a chance to win this game. And we're still even. Giselle Callahan. Kirkpatrick, block goes out. Game point again for North Shore. Catherine Kognovich. Parker, Smith, Siraj. Game goes to North Shore, 27-25. And they have a 2-0 lead over Covington here. Covington and Holly Stewart start off game 3 with a point. 2-0 North Shore. North Shore rallied in that one, fell behind 8-4, and it was they stayed behind until they got tied at 13, and then it was 1 or 2 points, and then they were tied 20, 21, 22. Parker puts it into that one 2-0, and it's kind of the same way they started game 2. They're starting game 3. They just didn't finish at the end. They're down 2-0. This is must-win situation. Holly Stewart to serve. Parker blocked. Good save, though. This one's got to go over. It will. Kirkpatrick set by DeShera. That one blocked. Kirkpatrick. Nice diving save by Stewart. Good rally right here. They went for the dink. Buell had that one. Still alive. Wow, Stewart's just laying it out. Still alive. This one's got to go over. Wow, what a point right there. Sometimes I got to remember to just shut up and let the girls play and let you see how good they are. Holly Stewart laid out a couple of times in that point, just no fear, just threw herself out there. 2-1. Covington up. Haley Kirkpatrick. Callahan, and then Parker, and then Hamilton with a nice save. Dink, that's a carry. Wow. We're tied at 2. Some really good volleyball this afternoon. I know North Shore is up 2-0 as they pretty much ran away with game 1. That last game could have gone either way. Covington just didn't finish like North Shore did. But there's some really good points, some really good volleyball. Brandt, Callahan keeping it alive. Stewart and then Parker, Kirkpatrick, quick set. Wow, just good. Just keep it alive sometimes. Kirkpatrick from the back line. Wow, right back at you, Holly Stewart says. Brandt, and that one's out. That one was out. Now, we're going to talk about it. Tip, there was a tip, yep. In a tough match, every point counts. Haley Kirkpatrick. Caitlin Dillon with the finish there, 4-2. The lead. Kirkpatrick, Smith, Stewart, Parker. Brandt finds the opening. 5-2. Kirkpatrick. Big hit. Siraj is long. 6 in a row for North Shore. Coach Adams calls timeout to slow down the Lady Panthers as her team's down by 4 in game 3. Coming out of the timeout, Kirkpatrick will serve. That one is an ace. That's an ace, folks. That one's like a good major league curveball, or dive ball, or drop ball, as it gets across the net on a line drive and then dives right at the end to catch the tape. 7-2. Stewart, Siraj, and then Stewart, good save. Kirkpatrick, Callahan, Smith, Siraj. Kognovich to Deshera to Dillon, and a finish 8-2. 8 points in a row now for the Lady Panthers. Game 3. Parker off the block, but it's out. And that stops the run by the Lady Panthers. Cassie Siraj will serve it up. Dillon. Brandt. That one was supposed to be a set. It ventured a little too far and caught Covington off guard. 9-3, North Shore's lead in game 3. Jessica Deshera. Double hit on that, 10-3. So North Shore found some rhythm late in game 2 to pull that one out. I guess you could say that went in overtime, although there is no overtime. Good effort there by Montgomery. And it's carried over into game 3 for the Lady Panthers. They're up 11-3. And the Lady Lions unable to string together some points. Montgomery, good dig. Dillon stays with that, puts her team up by 9 at 12-3. Caitlin Dillon. Whatever the Lady Lions had in game 2, they've kind of lost it here in game 3. That serve into the net. One of the few service errors by North Shore today. Hallie Stewart will serve. Blocked by Parker, goes out of bounds from Brandt's hit. 13-4. 2 seniors playing for North Shore, which bodes well for Coach Davis, getting a lot of good work out of Buell, Kognovich, Kirkpatrick, Brandt, Deshera, all sophomores. 14-4 now. Buell, Sabrina Buell will serve it up. As they say in the coaching, nice hit by Parker to slow down the Panthers. As they say in coaching, the best thing about a sophomore is they become a junior. And the best thing about a junior is they become a senior. All of these girls will have lots of experience down the way. Of course, we got the whole rest of the season to go yet, and possibly playoffs. That one's out. 15-5. Looking for both teams to make the playoffs this year. Casey Brandt on service. Parker, Smith, and LaRocca. Kirkpatrick off the block. Good saves. Hallie Stewart, then Holly, then Giselle. 16-5. Sometimes the wheels come off the bus. Casey Brandt. Nice serve by Brandt. Puts her team up 17-5. And right now it is apparent with the timeout that the wheels have come a little bit off of the Lady Lion bus. They trail by 13 in game 3 and trail 2 games to 0. Brandt to serve it coming out of the timeout. Back set there for Parker. Block attempt by Claire Davis off the mark. Point to Covington. They trail 18-6. Giselle Callahan to serve. LaRocca with the block, still alive. Good save by Covington. Kirkpatrick, though, put the end to that one. 19-6 now. Catherine Kognovich on the serve. Siraj. That one's got to go over. Good save. LaRocca knocks it down. Madison LaRocca, nice play right there. Caroline Smith will serve. Her team down by 12 here in game 3 and down 2 games to 0. Best 3 out of 5. North Shore trying to close it out. Gets a big hit right there and a 20-7 lead. The Lady Panthers have been pretty methodical. They had a little bit of a lull in game 2, but ended up coming back from behind. Parker nets that one. They came from behind, actually had game point against them, was able to stave that off and end up winning 27-25. Nice block by Dillon, 22-7. Claire Davis. Siraj long on that one. 23-7. Davis to serve. Pop that one up. Kirkpatrick. That one was out. She blistered that one, I have to say, but it was out. Holly Stewart to serve. Nice serve by Holly. She gets an ace, 23-9. Covington trails. Holly will serve it up again. Dillon blocked by Parker. Kirkpatrick finishes it off. Big kill there, 24-9. And at this point in the game, 24-9 in game 3, it is simultaneously game and match point. Best 3 out of 5. They've already got 2. They can put this one away, win the game and the match. Serve from Haley Kirkpatrick. Parker. Grant keeps it alive. Stewart got to go over. Siraj. Dillon ends it. 25-9. Lady Panthers win 25-12, 27-25, and 25-9, 3-0 over Covington here in a district matchup. Have to send our thank yous out to the people that brought you this game, starting with our superintendent, Mr. Trey Foltz, our director of broadcasting, Dr. Melody Swang. On camera tonight, Red is Sharp. This is Charles Tiger Edwards. Good night, God bless, you be good. You're leaving the prep zone.